Hi, this is my SIT210 project page, and this is my system, which is the storage monitoring system. Um, in this project page of video, there will be three main points, which is the main function, system purpose, and system description. The main function of the system, to be specific, this system is to monitor temperatures, the temperature, humidity, and intensity of the lights of the storage of the item inside of the storage containers or a warehouse. This system focuses on accessibilities and simplicities for people in rural areas. The system provides and displays a real-time readings from the sensors for the users, for the store owners. The purpose of the system is to provide simple and accessible item monitoring system for store owners in rural areas. As we know, um, many large cities, many developing cities, which is the main cities, are able to acquire much of the sensors that we use for the system, which is the temperature sensors, light reading sensors, humidity reading sensors, Arduino. Many of the large cities are able to acquire because of the affordability presented there. We with many stores open inside the large cities. However, for cities in the rural areas or rural countries, doesn't have those opportunities. Sometimes the store are not there, and store owners need to uh, need to order it with a large amount of expenses for delivery, which can affect the cost of their livelihood. This and this system also tackles problems which many rural areas store owners still using pen and paper to physically check their items in their storage warehouse, uh, to check their conditions and to check the quantity. Um, for the system description, the system used a DHT11 temperature humidity sensors and the GUI 30 light sensors to pick up the reading of the temperature, humidity, and light intensity of the storage and send it to the Arduino. The Arduino then will light up the LED according to if the readings are over the set parameters or over the set threshold. It will the LEDs will light up red, and if it's still inside the preferable temperatures, humidities, and light intensity, it will light up green. This data will be published to the Hive MQTT, which then the Raspberry Pi 4 will subscribe to and receive the data and process it. The Raspberry Pi 4, after the processing, it will display the real-time reading of the sensors for the store owners to be able to monitor their temperatures, humidities, and the light intensities. For the system design, the hardware component will be using the Arduino Nano 3T IoT, Raspberry Pi 4, DHT11 temperature sensors, GY 30 light sensors, green and red LEDs, and two breadboard for extension. It will be using communication protocols, and the UI and UX, or the interface to display the screen, will be using the Raspberry Pi Python, primarily using the TK Tinker to set the UI. This is the box diagram of the system. You can see the sensor will be going to the Arduino. The sensor data reading will be going to Arduino. Arduino will light up depending on the reading. It will publish the data to the Hive MQTT. Raspberry Pi will then subscribe to Hive MQTT and receive the data, and then process it and then display it in the dashboard. That is all for my project pitch. Thank you.